Fish is one of the most practical, nutrient-dense, and affordable ways to support essential micronutrient intake, particularly iron, vitamin B12, and other trace elements critical for red blood cell formation, energy metabolism, and overall health. Unlike plant-based sources of iron, which contain non-heme iron that is less efficiently absorbed, fish provides highly bioavailable heme iron that the body can absorb and utilize more effectively. This is especially valuable for populations at risk of iron deficiency, including children, adolescent girls, pregnant women, and individuals with restricted or plant-heavy diets. Just a modest portion of fish, such as 100 to 150 grams of mackerel or sardines, can deliver a meaningful contribution to daily iron requirements while simultaneously providing vitamin B12, a nutrient essential for red blood cell maturation, neurological function, and DNA synthesis. Many fish species also contain other trace elements, such as zinc and selenium, which support immune function, antioxidant defense, and thyroid metabolism, adding further value to this simple, affordable source of nutrition. For families or communities where access to fortified foods or supplements is limited, regular consumption of fish can make a profound difference in preventing anemia, supporting healthy growth in children, and maintaining energy levels in adults. Vitamin B12 in fish is particularly noteworthy because it is one of the few naturally occurring forms that are readily absorbed by the body. Deficiency in B12 can lead to fatigue, cognitive impairment, and neurological complications. Fatty and lean fish alike, salmon, tuna, herring, and cod, provide this essential nutrient in substantial amounts, often meeting a large portion of daily requirements in a single serving. The synergy between iron and B12 in fish supports not only the production of hemoglobin and oxygen transport, but also cognitive performance and mental energy, making fish a strategic dietary inclusion for school-aged children, adolescents, and adults engaged in physically or mentally demanding activities. Despite these remarkable benefits, a consideration for long-term safety is the potential for chemical contaminants in fish harvested near industrial or heavily polluted regions. Heavy metals such as lead, cadmium, mercury, and chemical pollutants from runoff, manufacturing, or mining activities can accumulate in fish tissue, particularly in species higher up the food chain or those that live longer and accumulate contaminants over time. Chronic exposure to these substances can affect neurological development, kidney function, cardiovascular health, and may increase cancer risk in susceptible individuals. Environmental contaminants enter aquatic systems through wastewater discharge, industrial effluents, agricultural runoff, and atmospheric deposition. Fish absorb these substances either directly through water and sediments or via the food chain, with higher concentrations sometimes found in liver, fatty tissues, or predatory species. While the absolute risk varies depending on species, location, and frequency of consumption, awareness of sourcing is critical to maximize benefits safely. To harness the micronutrient advantages of fish while minimizing exposure to contaminants, consumers can take practical steps. Choosing species that are short-lived, lower on the food chain, and harvested from cleaner waters, such as sardines, anchovies, herring, and farm trout in responsibly managed aquaculture systems, reduces the likelihood of accumulating heavy metals. Rotating fish types across meals helps avoid overexposure from a single source, while consulting advisories from regulatory agencies or sustainable seafood guides provides valuable information about contamination levels in local or imported fish. Certified labels, such as MSC, Marine Stewardship Council, ASC, Aquaculture Stewardship Council, or equivalent regional programs, indicate products that have been responsibly sourced and monitored for safety and environmental sustainability. By combining these practices, consumers can enjoy the nutritional advantages of fish without compromising long-term health. Preparation methods further enhance safety and nutrient retention. Cooking, baking, steaming, or lightly grilling fish preserves both iron and B12 while reducing exposure to surface contaminants that may be present in skin or fat. Removing skin or trimming fatty portions of larger fish when necessary can also reduce intake of lipophilic pollutants. Incorporating canned or frozen fish from trusted suppliers provides additional reassurance, as these products are often tested for heavy metals and contaminants and have controlled sourcing. Including a variety of fish in the weekly diet not only optimizes nutrient diversity, but also ensures consistent intake of iron, B12, and trace elements in a convenient and safe manner. The broader impact of regular fish consumption on health is substantial. Iron supports hemoglobin production, oxygen transport, and cellular energy metabolism, preventing fatigue and supporting physical performance. Vitamin B12 contributes to red blood cell maturation, neurological function, and DNA synthesis, while trace minerals like selenium and zinc act as cofactors for antioxidant enzymes, immune function, and thyroid regulation. Together, these nutrients help maintain energy, cognitive performance, immune resilience, and metabolic health. For vulnerable populations, such as children, pregnant women, and older adults, fish can serve as a cornerstone of a micronutrient-rich diet that is both affordable and accessible. Moreover, small, sustainably sourced fish like sardines and anchovies combine affordability, ecological responsibility, and nutrient density. Their short lifespans and lower trophic levels reduce the risk of contaminant accumulation, while also supporting fisheries that preserve marine ecosystems. By integrating these species into weekly meals, whether grilled, baked, canned, or added to salads and grains, individuals gain iron, B12, omega-3s, and essential minerals with minimal environmental or health risk. Simple practices like consulting local advisories, selecting certified sources, and preparing fish thoughtfully ensure maximum nutritional benefit while protecting against chemical hazards. Ultimately, fish is a uniquely practical and efficient vehicle for delivering iron, B12, and essential trace minerals to the human diet. Its affordability, nutrient density, versatility in preparation, and compatibility with sustainable consumption make it a strategic choice for individuals and families seeking to prevent micronutrient deficiencies. Awareness of environmental contaminants and thoughtful sourcing allow consumers to enjoy these benefits safely, making fish both a cornerstone of healthy nutrition and a responsible choice for long-term well-being.